If you're experiencing pending transfers on Binance, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you resolve those issues step by step. Step 1. Check transaction status. Log into your Binance account and navigate to the Wallet section. Look for the transaction history to check the status of your pending transfers. This will give you an idea of whether the transaction is still processing or if there is an issue. Step 2. Verify network congestion. Visit a blockchain explorer relevant to the cryptocurrency you are transferring. Check the network status to see if there is congestion or delays. If the network is busy, it may take longer for your transaction to be confirmed. Step 3. Confirm transaction fees. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eShrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Contact Binance support. If your transfer remains pending for an extended period, reach out to Binance customer support. Provide them with your transaction ID and details about the issue. They can assist you in resolving the problem. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After contacting support, be patient. Sometimes, it may take time for transactions to be processed, especially during high traffic periods. Keep an eye on your transaction status and check back regularly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve pending transfers on Binance effectively. If issues persist, consider checking community forums for additional insights or updates.